But yeah, I'm going to be giving this away. I just plugged it in. We are almost at the second bar now. Its main feature is that it's got a 360 camera here. I'll be doing a separate video of just this unit. Hey, Life of the Box here. So today I am working on the Mini. I'm actually changing out the rear camera that I had. So previously I had a dash cam that has a separate, detachable front lens there, and of course the rear. I'm gonna show you right here. It's the URVOLAX. This one right here. So I'm taking this out because I have a new one. Let me show you the new one. So this is a new one. It's pretty cool. It's from Japan. Its main feature is that it's got a 360 camera here, as you can see right here. You can adjust it. So this basically shoots everything around here, like non-stop. So I can basically look at any direction. I can see myself. I can see what's in front of me. And yeah, it's got the 360 camera. It's got the rear camera, of course, which I'm actually installing right now. And it's also got a side camera, which is this one here. You see this little guy here? So this one you put mounted under your side mirror like this. Here to show you right here. So it's gonna go like that, right? So this kind of checks your blind spot and also helps you when you're parallel parking to the curb. You can see your wheels. So this is pretty cool, and you can see it adjusts. See that? So I'm kind of in the middle of doing that right now, and let me show you the hardest part here. I like to do everything really neatly. So wires wise, I do want to. You see how my previous camera, I had it routed along through this little rubber tube here, and then just a super clean install. It took me a long time to do this one, but basically what I'm going to do is have to remove this old one because the camera cables are not the same, right? So I'm going to remove that, and then I'm going to have to feed the new cable back through here again. But yeah, so I got to do that, and then I'll work on the side mirror and try to figure out how to route that back into the car. So probably have to, like, I don't know, take out the mirror and then run it from inside the door handle. It's a lot of work, right? And through that, if I want a super clean install, that is, right? But yeah, I think I'm going to be giving this away. This is a pretty good camera as well. It's got again, the advantage is that it's got the detachable front lens here. Let me show you a close-up of that. So it's got this front lens here where that, detaches, because most of them, the camera is mounted on the back of the dash mirror, right? So what happens is you get a whole view that's blocked by, all your car stuff, right? While this one, with your URVOLAX one, it comes with a detachable, so you can basically mount it anywhere, and you get a really clear view, right? So that's what this is, and I'll be giving this away. I'll leave I guess how to win this in the comments below. But yeah, so I'll be giving this away. So if you guys are watching here, you have the chance to win it. But yeah, so I'm gonna work on this, and also while I have the car parked in the back, I am just topping up the battery here. Right, so this is the NOCO Genius 10. I just plugged it in. We are almost at the second bar now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge it up normally, and then I'm going to do probably a repair of the battery. The repair basically, recycles the whole battery, completely new. Takes about 4 hours to do, and once that's done, then the battery for this car would be good again for another year or so before I have to do another repair. So again, this is the NOCO Genius 10. All right, and I think that's pretty much it for today, or today's project. But yeah, I'm just kind of in the middle of it. I know there's like a rainstorm coming, but yeah, this is what I have so far, and I'm just routing the rear cable And I'll be doing a separate video of just this unit. Stay tuned for that one. And if you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you later. Bye.